Hey guys, Lamonster here at Lamonster Garage, and got a new product that we're super excited about. It's called a Motohorn. And why am I excited about this horn? Well, the stock horn on a Spyder, on pretty much any motorcycle, is pretty lame. Um, there's aftermarket horns that you can put on the Spyder. I've heard them all. I've even sold some of them, and they're marginally better than the stock horn. They sound more like a car horn instead of a little, doink horn like comes on the Spyder. This thing is amazing. The video is not going to tell you right now. We're going to shoot a video. I'm going to hit the button, and I already listened to it in a take. Not near as loud as it is in person. Basically, when you hit the horn once, you don't even want to hit it again. It's so loud. It's the same as a train horn, so it's 150 decibels is what they're claiming. I don't know how they go by that, but all I can tell you is everybody that has heard it is blown away on how loud it is. So I'm gonna go through a little step-by-step to help you install. Well, what we did is we took the Motohorn kit, and right now we have done a plug and play for the F3. The F3 is the easiest one to come up with this. We're going to be working on the RT soon, and we'll shoot a video for that. We just got to figure out how to make it all work. I got the regular Motohorn, and with the hardware that it comes with, I could not make it work on my bike. So I went and got the hardware I needed, and while I was at it, I decided to tidy up all the wiring. I bought my own wiring, my own connectors. Everything is cut to length. Everything is plugged into the relay. So it should be real simple to do them. So we'll kind of go through it. So anyway, here's the horn, Motohorn. Comes with the user manual. This is the wiring diagram. So it's real simple operation. You might say, well, why can't I just hook my horn wires right to the Motohorn? Well, the thing is, it draws too many amperage. That's why you have to go through a relay. Actually got a 30 amp fuse on it. So here's your hose, and this goes from the compressor to the horn. This is your horn, and it comes in chrome and black. This is a black version. Basically, this will slide till it tightens up. I kind of like to level it up like that, slide it tight. And this is how you'll know where to line up your clamps. I'm going to show you that in a minute. We're providing the clamps. Pop these out. These are your clamps you're going to use to mount to the horn. And they will basically, the bolt will go through there and into this clamp on both sides. And then it has one other bolt, and this bolt is for mounting the air compressor. And let me get the air compressor out. Here's your little air compressor. And it has two terminals. It has a negative and a positive. And like I say, we're pre-wired to plug into those. The way this works, the bolt head just slides in there and sticks up. And where we mounted this, we actually drilled a hole in this panel right here, and it's mounted just like so. So your hose goes from here to the horn. The compressor mounts there. This is the relay. I'll show you the relay now and how it's wired up. So this is the relay. Let's see, I gotta get my cutters. All right, so this is your relay, and it's all pre-wired. So on this particular relay, this one is going to go to your air compressor. No, this one goes to the air compressor. Okay, these two go to the air compressor. That's your positive and negative. These here will go to your switch for your horn. You'll pull out your stock wires off your stock horn, and then these plug into it, and then these go directly to the battery. Red is positive, black is negative. So what we've done is we've mounted this relay like so, and you'll follow the instructions, but basically this one, let's see, this one is the one that goes right here. So the little short one will go right here. The one coming from the battery, which is this one, will go right there. This will feed through all the way through this way. You can kind of see how I've routed it through here, and then it routes down right down to the battery. And positive goes on to positive, negative goes on to negative. And this one here, same kind of routing. You route it down. It's going to go all the way down here, and I've got it pulled up right now so you can see it. But these two wires, the black wire goes into, it's kind of an aqua color. It's almost a green, but a bluish green. That will go to the negative terminal, and then the red will go to the other link, your positive terminal. If you got a test light, it's a good idea to just test which one's positive and make sure you get it into the positive. But after you get it all wired up, just zip tie it out of the way. We drill one more hole here to zip tie the relay. It's no big deal, real easy to do. Puts it in a nice place. Here's your 30 amp fuse, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a down and dirty, real clean install actually. Here's your clamps. The clamps are going to go around the tube. You want to face the bolt towards the long end. I got a little bit longer bolts just because the bolts that come with it are actually a little bit too short. It's kind of hard to go through this and the clamp and get it pinched together. Keep these loose until you rotate this where you need it. Got to rotate it to make sure you have clearance on your side panel. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Let me go ahead and grab that and you can see what it looks like. So here's the side panel. Right there, like so. So you got clearance, not much, but you got clearance there. This can rotate a little bit more actually. So rotate it a little bit more, so you got clearance for your side panel. Looks really good on the bike, real clean. Looks like it's supposed to be there. Now I'll let you hear it. And like I say, the problem is the camera protects itself from the loud noise. So I'll honk a stock horn. So that's real cute. Now I'll honk this train horn. Yeah. Ridiculously loud. You're not going to make any friends with this horn, I can tell you that. But it's like I say, we're really excited. Everybody that hears it, sees it, they're excited about it. So we are going to sell the kit in its universal form, because I plan on putting one on my truck, on my car. Might even put one on my lawnmower. I don't know. But it's just so amazing how loud it is. It's actually worth the effort and the money that you're spending on it. So check us out, lamonstergarage.com. It'll be in the new product section if you're hunting for it. So that's it.